Yang direkam kan?
Sudah, Miss.
Ini udah langsung direkam.
Yes, sudah. Yes.
Ya.
Sudah, Miss. Direkam.
Oke, ya. Silakan. Pertama.
Saya, Miss. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Arina Arif Aditya. D10D2 from Group 5. Today I'm here to discuss the effect of water pollution and is there impact on ecosystem alongside to learning clean water crisis affecting millions globally. What is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water source to the entry of hazardous substances after the quality of water, making it unsuitable for use. With contamination affect rivers, lakes, ocean, and groundwater, affecting both to the environment and human health. The primary source of water pollution include the industrial waste, where factories discharge polluters directly into waters bodies. Agricultural runoff, where pesticides and fertilizers waste into streams and rivers and household waste, where improper disposal of chemical and plastics from homes contribute to pollution. The effects of water pollution are far-reaching. On ecosystem, it causes harm to aquatic life. This disrupts food chains and leads to the loss of biodiversity. For human health, polluted water can cause the disease such as cholera, dysentery, and neurological disorders. Economically, water pollution increases healthcare costs and result in the loss of tourism revenue. A strong example of the consequences of water pollution is the flooding. Water crisis will lead the contamination in flooding. Michigan's water supply highlighted the severe health risks and governmental negligence. To combat water pollution, several solutions can be implemented. Government regulation play a crucial role with the establishment of strict law and penalties for polluters. Community action include local cleanup, anti-waste and awareness campaigns. Also make a significant impact on personal level. Individual can help by reducing plastic use, properly disposing of hazardous materials, and using eco-friendly products. We both know that waste disposal, humans, and other living creatures cannot live with passion. Water is the life of every creature, every living creature. Take care of water like we take care of yourselves. It is never too late as long as you want and care about preserving clean water. If not, as who else?
Okay, thank you, Ferdinand. You said about how water pollution can also affect body health, yeah? So, can you mention again what effect it can be to your body?
Wait, Miss.
Yeah.
Such as cholera, dysentery, and neurological disorders.
Okay. Good. Thank you. Next, please.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello everybody. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. I am Saiful Ardiansah and today I'm going to talking about water pollution. Where does water pollution occur? Water pollution can occur wherever the water source comes from. It can occur in springs, dams, lakes, and where I am visiting, rivers. No other body is immune to the threat of contamination, whether it's a natural source like a spring or a man-made reservoir like a dam. Even the picturesque river flowing through the town I am currently visiting could potentially be polluted, which is a sobering thought. The sources of water pollution are numerous and varied, ranging from industrial waste discharged to agricultural runoff carrying fertilizers and pesticides. In some cases, it could even be something as simple as litter or debris being carelessly thrown into the water, disrupting delicate ecosystem and introducing harmful substances. Pollutants can include toxic chemicals, heavy metals, disease-causing pathogens, excess nutrients that promote algal blooms, and even microplastics that have become ubiquitous in our waterways. Agriculture is also a significant contributor to water pollution. Runoff from agricultural land often carries fertilizers and pesticides into rivers and lakes. Fertilizers that contain excess nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus can lead to excessive algae growth, known as eutrophication. These algae can deplete the oxygen in the water, causing mass die-offs of fish and other aquatic organisms. Pesticides, on the other hand, are toxic chemicals that can kill aquatic species and harm the health of humans who consume the contaminated water. Aside from industrial waste and agricultural runoff, water pollution can also come from simpler but equally damaging sources. Littering or carelessly throwing trash into water bodies is one such example. Plastics, cans, bottles, and various other types of litter can contaminate the water and disrupt existing ecosystems. Plastic waste, in particular, can break down into microplastics, which are extremely difficult to clean up and can enter the food chain, threatening the health of both animals and humans.
Okay, thank you, Saiful. Ini saya nggak buka soalnya ternyata nggak ada backgroundnya saya. Jadi kelihatan babalakaknya. Kalau di sini ada yang lain-lain tapi nggak apa-apa. Anyway, I'm here. Yeah. So Saiful, my question is, you mentioned that there is an agriculture pollutant, yeah, in the soil pollution. So can you tell me the example of agriculture pollutant?
Uh, okay, Miss. Agriculture pollutant is like pesticides, fertilizers thrown into the water. So that is uh, contain chemicals that can damage human body.
Okay, good. Thank you, Saiful. Yeah, next person, please. Who will be the next person?
Saya Miss. Maaf, Miss,
Christian.
suaranya ada. Dan,
Ada. Sok, silakan.
what is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water sources due to the entry of hazardous substances which change the quality of the air so that it is no longer sustainable for use. Water pollution can occur wherever the water sources comes from. It can occur in springs, dams, lakes, and where I am facing rivers. Water pollution can occur at any time, triggered by human actions or nature forces. Industrial waste can be dumped into the rivers at any moment, while accidents involving full tanks or chemical spills can happen unexpectedly. Nature disaster like flood or hurricane can also cause sudden water pollution events. Water pollution is a multifaceted issue with roots that intertwine with human actions and nature occurrence. Individual behaviors like litter or excess, exercise, pesticide used by farmers can contribute to water contamination. Large industries such as factories and mining companies may also dispose of water improperly, while unclear politics further exacerbate the problem. Ultimately, the consequences of water pollution ripple throughout society, affecting everyone. This can be done by individuals or large agencies. Individuals can be done by household or farmer who throw exercise pesticides into the rivers. Large industries such as industrial factories and mining companies that deliberately dispose of residues where they should not be, or regional policies that are not clear. In the end, many audience suffer losses. The government can make stricter regulations, also provide education to the public as well as existing industries. Factories can manage their waste properly before throwing rubbish into the environment. That the public is encouraged to save water and not. We both know that waste is pollution. Humans and other living creatures live with pollution. Water is the life of every living creature. Take care of water like we take care of ourselves. It's never too late as long as we want and care about the serving clean water. You know us, who else? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Frisian. My question for Frisian is, what do you think that the government can do to make a better solution for soil pollution?
I think like government can make a strict regulation of the residues of the industry dump, or make some education, mass education for any household, especially the household that living in the near of the river.
Okay, thank you, Frisian.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, last one is Raffi. You, Raffi?
Okay, Miss. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwater. with harmful substances that deteriorate water quality and disrupt aquatic ecosystem. This contamination can come from a variety of sources, and both individual and large organizations share responsibility for this pressing environmental issue. Individuals and households individuals often unknowingly play a role in water pollution. Households can contribute to this problem through improper disposal of waste, such as throwing trash into rivers or streams. Additionally, farmers who use excessive pesticide, and fertilizer can significantly impact water quality. When it rains, these chemicals can run off into nearby water bodies, contaminating them and harming aquatic life. Large institutions institutions such as industrial factories and mining companies are significant contributors to water pollution. These organizations often dispose of chemical residue and other waste material improperly. Instead of treating their waste before disposal, they sometimes release it directly into rivers, lakes, or oceans. This negligent behavior results in severe contamination of water resources. Policy and governance issue. Inadequate regional policies and unclear regulation also play a role in exacerbating water pollution. When there is a lack of stringent regulation and enforcement, industries and individuals may not feel compelled to follow best practice for waste disposal. As a result, many communities suffer from polluted water sources, leading to health issues and environmental degradation. So, addressing water pollution necessitates a collective effort from individual, government, and industries. Individuals can adopt eco-friendly habits, government must enforce regulation, and industries must implement responsible operation. Concerted action is crucial to safeguard water resources and ensure a healthier future. Um,
Okay, thank you, Rafi. You mentioned that the soil pollution can also cause water pollution, especially to the sea, yeah? If I'm not mistaken. So how can that be? How can soil pollution can also pollute sea?
just a moment, miss, please.
Okay.
Maybe addressing soil pollution is crucial to protect marine ecosystem as contaminant from land can significantly impact ocean health, marine life, and human communities relying on these resources.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Rafi.
Miss.
Yeah. I think that's all ya guys for your exam. Yang lain pada kemana nih? Baik. Siap, Saiful. Okay, I will go on to the next group ya. Bye-bye guys. See you next time.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Okay guys. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yeah, you're welcome.